What's up YouTube? It's me 𝚆𝚊𝚜 and I'm back again with another video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
And as you told us today, I'm going to be doing a 3-day type thing, and today I'm going to be doing part 1 of how to start a YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys like how to actually start a YouTube channel, like what you need to do to start the channel before you actually like post videos on it and everything like that. So before I get into the video channel, what's up? My name is 𝚆𝚊𝚜𝚜, but for those who are Fridays and so on Wednesdays, not all but some. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you become a little baby, because why not? And make sure you post notification bells also you'll be alerted when I upload videos. And let's get into the video. So like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a channel. So I'm going to cover like the channel prep, like everything from the very first moment that you start your channel. So I have two notebooks, a planner, and I'm actually I have a little 1-inch binder that we got since I'm not going back to school. I already have like 2 previous binders that are in a pink one and a white one from the previous years that I never really used. I could use that one for YouTube. So I have two notebooks. I have a planner and I have a binder that's in the making. So before you if you don't have any of that stuff, you just have like a random notebook that you haven't used in a minute, or you just have a plain notebook, or you just have some paper left over for something, or you just have like some type of folder or something. Just get some paper or something and just write, or on your phone you could do that too if you want. Just find something that you could write down, or like jot down some like your channel name, like what you want your channel name to be. Like mine is my name, Faith Jack. I just took down my name, but my name Faith Renee. Simple, easy, nothing too hard. Like I didn't want something, like that, because like I want it to be simple and something easy to remember and stuff like that. And so just come up with your channel, like your channel name. You come up with a channel name, and then you want to come up with a banner, an intro, and outro. And a banner can be really simple. Like I have two tutorials on my channel for a banner, and it could be really simple. It doesn't have to be hard. You could just make the banner, get the correct size, and put on a little thing, and put your name, your social medias, or like what your channel is about, or like or what days you upload. Like mine's, well, not now, mine does not have that on there, but my previous one has that on there, and it also comes up at the beginning of my videos, and basically just says like the days I upload and all of that stuff. So you can put whatever you want on your banner, or you can just put your name, and it could be a simple little background with your name on it, and a cute little font, or whatever you want to do with it, and nothing too hard, just start your channel off. Also, your profile picture needs to be something like a clear picture of your face that we can see you. It's nothing too blurry. It doesn't have like a filter on it, and it's just like we can't see. Like you didn't have a filter on, like a little filter, like mine has a filter on it, but like little dog ears and stuff, something that people can see, not that type of stuff. Like you can do that, or if you just want to have like your initials on it, like you have like a little background, like it's similar to your banner and it's just your initials on it, you can do that too, depending on what type of channel you have. The intro and outro, well, for your first intro, I have 2 tutorials on that as well for intro and outro. For the intro, I don't have an outro tutorial, I don't think. But you can do an intro, and a simple intro could be like, you can just get like a plain background, like I said, your banner and your profile picture, and come all like color coordinate, where you get like a plain little background. And you can just put your name, your social medias, like comment, subscribe, all of that stuff on there. Nothing too hard. Like I have a basic one on my channel. You can follow that, and there's another one coming too, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, I'll just be helping you guys out with a lot of tutorials, because a lot of people don't want a complex intro. They just want something simple that they could use and just like throw in there, and didn't have to take so much work for it. Or if you have the money, you could invest in the intro and the outro as well, if you want something more advanced or top tier. I make intros too, so if you want an intro, you could hit me up. My emails and description box down below, so I'll just send you like all the information for that stuff. But yeah, it doesn't have to be simple for the beginning, just something you could just make easily if you don't want to invest money into one. Next you want to do is you want to create an upload schedule, and my upload schedule is Mondays and Fridays and some Wednesdays, because sometimes I don't have the time to upload a video every one on all 3 of those days. Sometimes I just have the time to upload a video on Monday and Friday, and just that's it. Like there's no video on Wednesday, which I've been keeping good. I've been doing good with the Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays so far. So if you don't see a video from me on Wednesday, just know that I didn't have time to do a video for that. But just create it. Like, you don't have to do like some people. You could just do. You could start off with like every single day. I did start off with every single day, or you could just start like with one day out of the week, and you could like go from 1 day to 2 days, 3 days, or you could just do however many days you want. Most YouTubers start out like that, and then they probably just go to like 2 days a week, or like usually just post whatever day you want throughout the week. I would suggest you have a schedule for that though, because a lot of people when people actually like your content, they're like, okay, you only upload whenever you want, like what? Which is, I mean, it's your channel, so just create a schedule that works for you and it's around your schedule. I mean, if you can't upload a video on that day, just don't try to rush through it. Just if you can't upload it, you can't upload. Just upload the day after or another day when you have the video ready and it's to your liking. If you don't like it, then don't upload it, because that's rushing the video and it's not gonna come out good, and people just not gonna want to watch that. It's like, okay, the video looks rushed. You know it's rushed, and it's just like it doesn't feel right uploading it. So just make sure that you have a schedule, and if your schedule, if you can't follow up your schedule sometimes, because everybody cannot follow their schedule sometimes, just make sure that you like don't upload that video if you don't like it. That's what I'm gonna say. Just don't upload it. Just refilm it, or just take your time to edit it. Don't try to rush edit, because I promise you, I have done that before, and it's just like it doesn't work. So the next thing, that after you have everything planned out and all that stuff up, and one more thing that you need to do before we actually hop into the next thing that you like, next couple of things that you need to do, like the next section. So like in the little area of just creating the channel in general, before you actually get started filming and like editing videos and uploading videos, one thing that you can do is you can practice doing thumbnails, practice editing thumbnails, because it's like everybody doesn't know how to do it. Like everybody doesn't want, like, you know, everybody doesn't want the same thumbnail. So you could just like take little, because how I take my I'll explain that in the next video. But once you just practice taking thumbnails, and an easy way to do that is you take it like after you do the video or during that video, or you can just make another video, a small little simple video, and just take different poses and whichever you like. You can screenshot it and edit it after that. So just practice doing that and see whichever style you come up with, and see if that's the style you like, and then if that's the style you like, then continue doing like that. Like my style is really simple, nothing too hard. So make sure that you can like just try to come up with a thumbnail style, because like everybody, you don't like, it's kind of boring when everybody has the same type of style for thumbnails. Just like, okay, so if you have your own, people like, okay, that's her style, that's how she does her stuff, and that's my style. I have my own style. I just started out with a style that was copied from a lot of different popular YouTubers, but then I decided to make my own, and this is my own, like that's my own little style, and that's how I like my stuff to be, like, you know, presented. So yeah, try to come up with your own thumbnail style. If you can't, it's fine. There's other tutorials out there. You just want to have a plain little thumbnail, or you have to have your face. You could just make one without your face on it. It doesn't matter. Your channel. Because next thing that you want to do, like if you have a little notebook, once you have all of that filled in, you have your intro, you have your outro, you have your banner and profile pictures, you want to create your description box. And I'm like, what? Like, how do you want your description box, title, all of that stuff? You want to like know how like your specific style of how you want your like description box to be. Like mine is like all bold letters with like a little slash, and then whatever. Then my name is at the very end with like a little emoji, the pink flower emoji. And that's very simple for me, because I can just like, you know, put it in there and it's simple. And then like your description box, if you're looking at your description box down below, you'll see mine is like, you know, a little bit more, you know, filled out. Most people don't have one. They just put like 3 sentences in there, like, thank you for watching, hope you enjoy it, like, comment, subscribe, and then that's it. They don't really put anything in there. But I've been told that your description boxes help your channel grow, helps people, like if they search for a type of video or something, they can find the video, or like your channel in general. It does kind of help. So you could just like write down what you want in your description box and have it planned out and all that stuff, because that would be easier. And then once you type, you could just like, you know, copy and paste it from the video, put it in another video, change all the stuff, and boom, have it there. Next I'm talking about is get to know the game. So basically, to get to know YouTube, like before you need to know what YouTube is. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know, like, what is YouTube? What am I doing? Like, people like, what is YouTube? Okay, just go in and watch videos. What is YouTube for the YouTube creators? Get the atmosphere. Get the information you need to understand the atmosphere of YouTube. Don't just, this is YouTube, this is what YouTube is. You need to understand what YouTube is. You need to understand how to grow, how to entertain people. Like, you can't just get on there and like, no, I'm uploading a video and you're boring, or just like you don't know anything about it. So you're just like, okay. And you think once you upload a video, boom, it's on a recommended page and everybody sees your video and everybody watches it. That's not exactly how it works. So you need to watch people. Catherine Manning, Annie Dubé, David Namek, or whatever his name is, They are some good people. There are some, that girl Asia, she has a I think she has another channel, but she doesn't upload on that channel anymore. If you, it was just some stuff that happened, so she doesn't do that anymore. But I think she has another channel, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But they all have some good stuff, good channels, and I will also leave the link to the channels down below if you forget them or you just want to check all of them out. They have some good advice and tips for starting a YouTube channel. Most of everything I know came from them. So yeah, if you want some good steps to how, like, you need to watch the videos. One person I recommend out of all of them would be Anna Dubé, because everything I know came from her. Like, most of everything I know came from her. Like, I got stuff from the other YouTubers too. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they helped me too. But she was like one of the main ones. Like, she was consistent with the video. Not saying they were consistent, but she was consistent with like those same videos. Like, her channel is based off of that. Like, most of the channels, pretty much all of their channels were based off of how to help YouTube, and she still uploads other videos today. Like, y'all need to check her channel out because she is really good. But yeah, just watch some videos, Google, all that stuff. Get as much information as you need to start, like, to get to know how YouTube works, because I promise you, I didn't know nothing about nothing when I started YouTube. I didn't know what these words was. I'm like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Because I had a YouTube channel previously, like a couple years back, and I was just doing it just to do it, which is what I'm doing now. But like, I didn't know what I was doing, so you just like kind of just fell off from it because it was like kind of hard, you know, and I wasn't growing. It's just like, you know. So yeah, just like, you know, get as much information as you need, because it will help you later on down the road when you're trying to, like, you know, when you really, like, when your channel's growing and stuff, you want to know, like, how is my channel growing? What can I do better to help my channel grow and all that stuff? Y'all want to, like, I'm pretty sure you want to know, like, how is your channel growing? What can you do to make your channel grow faster and all that stuff? So, okay, next thing is, don't be afraid to ask questions. Most YouTubers don't answer questions, so they don't answer all their comments, but some YouTubers do. Like Annie, she does like answer some of her questions. Like, if you comment first, I'm pretty sure she gets almost all. She tries to get almost all of this. But you can ask me, or you can ask like other small YouTubers, or just like, don't be afraid to ask people questions. Like, they might not answer, but somebody, that person, like that YouTuber might not answer that question, but somebody in the comments will be like, oh, I know this because I've watched their previous videos, or I just know this by myself, and they can help you. So don't be afraid to ask questions. You can ask me a whole bunch of questions if you want. I will answer every single one of them if I can, or to the best of my ability. And there's a whole bunch of other small YouTubers out there who can help you to grow your channel. So, you know, the next thing you need to do is you to promote your channel. It's good to have like a good amount of subscribers before you actually get your video out there. I'm gonna go to a platform like, oh, I got my little subscribers. So when you upload a video, you at least got somebody to watch it. You know, you got a little foundation. You might not even have, you might have 5 subscribers, but that's fine. At least you got those 5 subscribers to start your channel off, okay? So just promote your channel and like send it to friends, family, whoever. Just send it to somebody. Send it to me, okay? If you have a channel, send it to me. The link is my email description below. Send it to me or comment down below. I will watch your videos, okay? Okay. But when you promote your channel, do not be annoying. Like, don't force people to watch your videos. Like, don't sit there and say, go watch my videos, go watch my videos. Every single time I upload video, because it's just gonna be annoying. People not gonna watch it. So, like, try not to be annoying, but still promote your channel at the same time, you know? Okay, so this video is coming to a close. Before we close this video out, I just want to go over a couple more things, which is make a list of video ideas, like just some video ideas. There's a bunch of videos out there. I don't have one on my channel yet, but there will be one coming. Just a bunch of video ideas that you can. Wait, do I have one? I think I have. No, I don't think I have one. Just come up with a bunch of video ideas that you can have, like you can just do, and all that stuff. I have a video list, but I don't go off of them because the year kind of changed in a way, so I can't do most of those anyways. Sometimes I just go off what I see. If I see that video, I'm like, I like that video, let me go do it. So yeah, but just come up with a list of a lot of video ideas you can do. Once you have that list, try to plan out the first 2 videos. Like, the first video you should have is like some people start the channel off with the get to know me Q&A. Some people don't. They just do like their first like actual video, and then they do a get to Q&A. But just try to plan out your first 2 videos so that when you're ready and comfortable, all you have to do is just go film it, and you have everything laid out. You don't have to be stumbling over your words and everything, because that's how. But you can't be stumbling over our words. You have to keep it pushing, you know. So make sure that you try to like plan out your first 2 videos or your first video, so that you have an idea of what you want to say, and you won't be stumbling and just like kind of just, you know, it just won't look right. You just won't feel right if you don't know what you're talking about. Just talking about it, just grabbing ideas out the air, it's not gonna go well for you. So try to plan out your first video, or like try to drop some notes down that you want to go off based off of that video. But your get to know me is really simple. You don't have to really do much for it, like your name, what you like to do, all that stuff is really simple. But if you want to go off a little list, you can. I did that for my get to know me because I did not have it on my channel yet, and I just uploaded mine. It's like last week, kind of late, but I did one. So the last thing we're gonna talk about is, at this point, you should know whether or not you want to start a YouTube channel, because it is a lot of work, but it pays off. Make sure you know you want to do YouTube. Don't try to just start YouTube because everybody else is doing it. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can release a baby, and make sure you